This year, Valle del Sol celebrates 40 years as one of Arizona's largest nonprofits and community-based organizations by doing what it does best, inspiring positive change. Valle del Sol is an organization whose foundation and principles are built on acting with integrity and honesty. Valle del Sol preserves dignity for all. It respects differences, it's inclusive of the community at large, and they strive to empower our community. Just 2 months ago, Valle del Sol took an active and public stance in its support of the 14th Amendment, protecting the birthright of children born in the United States, acting on that first value and preserving dignity for all, even babies.
Let me be clear. Today's press conference is not about something that we are against. On the contrary, it is something that we are for.
Valle del Sol, on July 28, 2010, made an impact on the community. We decided that if we're going to inspire positive change, we've got to do it on all levels. Certainly, this reaches the national level in terms of the United States Constitution, but we have to act locally to impact nationally. Its actions inspired other organizations to join them in supporting the 14th Amendment.
We at the ADL remember well the ugly history of anti-immigrant backlash when it was directed at Jews. This proposal is no different.
Valle del Sol is led by the best and the brightest, practicing another value, empowering the community by continuing to cultivate future leaders with its Hispanic Leadership Institute.
Some of the reasons I decided to go to HLI was to get involved with the community and to be able to build on my leadership skills, which I felt weren't as strong as they could be.
The mission of the program is to increase the leadership capacity among Latinos in Arizona. And I think the discussions that participants are having with their children, with their nieces and nephews, are going to be what is going to drive our community forward and really the state of Arizona forward.
But leadership cultivation doesn't stop there for Valle del Sol.
Valle del Sol is just so thrilled to announce with the Arizona OIC that we're launching its first ever African American Leadership Institute.
The African American Leadership Institute that we are doing in conjunction with our partner, our true partner, Valle del Sol, is of such significance from my perspective. It's our future.
We can never have enough leaders in the Phoenix community, especially with some of the challenges related to the image of Arizona and also the need for leadership here.
Valle del Sol helps thousands of children and their families each year through its extensive behavioral health and human services programs. Valle del Sol stands behind families and their children by seeing kids through adulthood. It's doing this with its transitioning youth program, Pathways to Independence.
This program looks to retain them in the mental health system in a non-traditional way. So they can still receive services, they can receive help with basic needs such as housing, maybe education resources, improved relationship with family and friends, while still maintaining some type of connection to the mental health service. It gives them other opportunities, and it gives them ways to be successful in their transition to adulthood.
For decades, Valle del Sol has strived to meet the needs of a diverse community, living up to its core values of respecting differences. For this reason, they created within their organization a Cultural Competency Board.
The importance of cultural competency to Valle del Sol is longstanding. Valle del Sol was founded on meeting the needs of diverse communities. Having a board really strategically organizes our work and ensures that we are always focusing and learning more about cultural sensitivity and diversity.
Since its inception in 1970, Valle del Sol has reached out and changed the lives of thousands of Arizonans. Men, women, children, and the elderly have all been impacted by Valle del Sol programs, helping to make Arizona a better place to work and live.
The consumers we serve are impacted really one person at a time. If Valle del Sol were not there, whether it's services or community issues, that voice would not be heard. Those people would not be helped, that point of view would not be available. And so wherever we go, we really try to be acting with integrity and making a difference.
So here's to Valle del Sol, standing with its community, inspiring positive change, and impacting and embracing all of Arizona.